To enable battery saving on the POCO X8 Pro, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down and then we need to find the battery options. From here select the current mode that can be changed to battery saver or ultra battery saver. The difference between those two is battery saver will kind of improve your battery time. As you can see, it goes to 1 hour 40 from 1 hour 22. So this should save some of your battery and it won't impact your UI or just the usage of your phone that much. In the case that you want to use ultra battery saver, this will drastically change your device as you won't be able to access most of the apps and your phone will enter like a dark mode. You won't be able to see much like your wallpapers or anything. And as you just saw, there's only a few apps. We can add additional ones in case that you want to use them. So to leave it, click on the X button, and that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.